everyone, and welcome back to WordCraft Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Pooja.
And I'm Karthik. Hello, Pooja, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's so good to be here today.
It is. How are you today, Karthik?
I'm great, excited to learn with everyone.
Today we will learn simple English conversation for doctor.
Very useful topic. Many people feel nervous at the doctor's clinic.
Don't worry. After this video, you can talk to a doctor easily.
Yes, so please like, share, and subscribe to the WordCraft Hub.
Let's start.
You go to a clinic. What do you say?
You can say, "Hello, I want to see a doctor."
Or, hello, I have an appointment.
Yes. Or, "I'm not feeling well."
Good. Let's do a short example. Hello, I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Sure. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Please take a seat.
Thank you. Easy, right?
Yes. Use please and thank you. Be polite.
Now, you are inside the doctor's room. The doctor says, hello, what's the problem?
You can say, "I have a fever."
Or, I have a sore throat.
Or, "I feel dizzy."
Let's try a role play.
Okay.
Hello, what seems to be the problem?
I have a bad headache and a sore throat.
How long have you had these problems?
For 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Great. That's how real doctor talks happen.
Let's learn some new words. Fever, when your body is hot.
Cough. When you go k.
Cold, when your nose runs or blocks.
Headache. Pain in your head.
Toothache, pain in your tooth.
Backache. Pain in your back.
Nausea, when you feel like vomiting.
Let's repeat.
Fever, cough, cold, headache, toothache, backache, nausea. Now the doctor asks more questions.
Yes. Listen carefully.
How long have you been feeling this way?
Do you have any allergies?
Are you taking any medicine?
Do you smoke or drink?
Does it hurt when you breathe?
Here are some answers.
I've been sick for 2 days.
I don't have any allergies.
I'm taking painkillers.
No, I don't smoke.
Let's do another example.
Okay.
You have a sore throat and fever. Don't worry.
Okay, doctor.
Take this medicine twice a day after food.
Twice a day after food. Got it.
Drink plenty of water and get rest.
Thank you, doctor. Very good. Now, some more useful lines.
Repeat after us.
Take this medicine twice a day.
Drink plenty of water.
Get some rest.
Nice work.
Let's learn about pain words. Sharp pain, strong and sudden.
Dull pain. Slow and not strong.
Mild pain, light pain.
Severe pain. Very bad pain. Let's practice.
Okay. Where do you feel pain?
In my lower back.
Is it sharp or dull?
It's dull. It hurts when I sit too long.
Try light exercise and don't sit too long. After the doctor, you go to the pharmacy.
You can say, I need to buy this medicine.
Or, "Can you please give me this?"
How should I take this medicine?
Before food or after food?
Is there syrup for cough?
Let's do a role play.
Hello, I have a prescription.
Sure, please show it.
Here it is.
Okay, here are your medicines. Take this after meals. Take this syrup before bed.
Thank you. How many days?
5 days.
Okay, thank you.
If you don't understand, ask politely.
You can say, "Can you repeat that, please?"
Or, can you speak slowly, please?
Perfect English manners.
Sometimes the doctor talks softly.
Like, "How are you feeling today?"
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
"Please relax."
You can reply, I'm feeling better.
Or, "Okay, thank you."
Small talk makes you feel calm.
Yes, English with kindness is beautiful.
Time to practice.
Time to practice.
Hello, what's the problem?
How long have you had this problem?
Do you have a fever?
Okay, take this medicine twice a day.
Quick vocabulary test.
Okay, let's go.
Headache,
Pain in the head.
cough,
Cough.
sore throat,
Pain in the throat.
fever.
Body is hot.
Perfect. Pronunciation time.
Repeat after us.
Doctor,
Doctor.
fever,
Fever.
cough,
Cough.
sore throat,
Sore throat.
stomachache.
Stomach ache.
Nice job. Grammar tip.
Use have for illness.
I have a cold.
I have a fever.
I have a headache.
Use feel for emotion.
I feel weak.
I feel dizzy.
Easy and clear.
Now your turn.
Write your own short doctor conversation in comments.
Use this template. Doctor, what's the problem?
I have
How long have you had this problem?
for.
Take this medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Simple, right?
Write your answers below.
Let's review.
We learned how to talk to a doctor,
How to explain your problem.
how to take advice,
Words like fever, cough, sore throat,
phrases like take this medicine and drink water.
and grammar tips for have and feel.
Practice every day. Speak slowly and clearly.
That's all for today.
Thank you for watching the WordCraft Hub.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to press the bell icon.
Bell icon.
Next video, simple English conversation for comments.
Stay tuned, keep learning, and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.